Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking Spanish sardines in olive oil. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have salt and pepper, garlic, red hot chili, vinegar, fish sauce, pickles, carrots, olives, dry bay leaves, whole peppercorn, olive oil, of course, some sesame oil, and today we're gonna use salmon. Okay, we're gonna use salmon head we're gonna cook this as sardines, but we're gonna use our pressure cooker in doing this, and we're gonna cook this approximately 45 minutes. So all this salmon head will be real tender. So let's get started. Now, first thing we're gonna do is we have to put our chopped garlic, okay, at the bottom of this this is our pot for the pressure cooker, and we're gonna put some bay leaves. All right. We need one more piece. There you go, a big piece. Then our whole peppercorn. Okay. And then we're gonna layer our fish. Okay. On the fish down there. Okay. There you go. And put our carrots. All right. Put some salt. Then we're gonna put ground pepper too. And then we're gonna put our chili, hot peppers or hot chili. Let's put 4 of them. Okay. All right. And then we're gonna layer. Let's put some more pepper. Let's put another layer of fish, which is the final layer. Okay. There you go. And then we're gonna put some more carrots, a little bit of salt, pepper, and we're gonna put some more bay leaves. Okay, on top. Okay, and hot peppers or hot chili. There you go. Okay, then we can add a little of fish sauce. Okay, and some vinegar. All right, and we'll put some pickles on top. Okay, all right, we're gonna add olive oil, and we're gonna mix the olive oil also with a little of water. Okay, because the liquid should be at the same level of the fish. So I'm gonna put more olive oil. Okay, this will be real good. Some more olive oil. I should say 2 cups in total of olive oil, and then we'll add a little bit of water. We added a little bit of water, and we mix it with the olive oil. So the level is the level of the liquid is the same as the level of the fish. Okay. Now we're gonna put this in our pressure cooker, and we're gonna cook this in 45 minutes. Here is our finished product: salmon Spanish sardines in olive oil. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you and have a good day.